Hello everyone, welcome to the new Building AI application 2026. We just have launched this 2 days back. I'm recording this video as of 24th January 2026, the latest updated video about this challenge. It is very similar to all our challenges that we have been doing for the last 2 years. This is the 10th challenge that we have been doing every quarter, building an AI application challenge. But there are a lot of new people in the community in the challenge that are a little bit confused about how things are getting done. So we try to document everything as much as possible in this challenge. Two things that are very different in this challenge is we have some supporters. As you can see, Iria and JetBrains, they are supporting us. They are for this particular building an AI application challenge, and we have a preferred path that is by people who are completely beginners. They have not done coding and they want to start building something very quickly, and I will talk more about that. That is a path by Iria, which is a no code low code type of agent builder where we can have quick turnaround within the ecosystem that is there. So now coming to this particular challenge, what we are seeing, and this is the welcome page. Just to give you guys a brief, so this is a in 8 days you need to build an application. There are three paths, as you can see. We had two paths earlier on. The coding path is the LLM and API integration path. You need to have we do a little bit of prerequisites are there. I will show you where the prerequisites are there, and you need to know a little bit of Python or how to create workflows that are there. At least understanding should be there. The no code low code path are like if you are familiar with any low code no code path and you want to explore that option as well, like Lovable, Make, or Voice Flow, anything up to you. You can use that preferred path. This is a particular track that is specifically for our sponsors, that Iria, who is going to do a workshop as well of how to use this particular tool to build quick workflows and deployment ready projects for your building an AI application challenge as well. You will get to know more details. About the talk is on Monday. The details are there on the challenge page, as well as we will be adding it here itself for you to directly register as well. So who should join? Everyone who's interested to try to build a particular project. The end goal of this is to have a portfolio ready project at the end, and also you can compete as well to win our cohort residency programs, scholarships, 100% scholarships, and our other programs that are there in our ecosystem. And as well as from our sponsors, from our supporters like Idea and JetBrains, you will be able to get licenses for the top three people that are in the Idea track, and for the top three people who are in the other tracks as well, combined. So there's going to be a separate price for Idea for this thing, and for the other two, we're going to combine, and you may have to give the top. And also JetBrains is also giving their prizes worth $1,000 each, licenses for the first 2-3 positions in the overall section that is there, as well as for the we are having a two special category. One is for our Women in AI award and the rising star of our DDS Academy as well. And thanks to JetBrains for doing this. So this is the whole concept of this challenge. The judging criteria, we have amazing judges and mentors as well. And if you want to go a little bit details into the instructions, the prerequisites for what you need to learn. So a lot of people, if you are completely new, you can always go to the second and third path that is there. Bottom line is whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced builder, there is a path for you. Join the challenge, pick the track that matches your current level, and start building it. And the rewards are amazing as well. Other than the scholarships, the licenses of these top AI tools will really help you in your journey to build projects, to build your portfolio, and all the things that are there. So this is my whole message to every one of you. The day zero has already started, so my you have to like this you have to I will show you the that was the guest mode. This is the admin mode. We have, as of the recording, as of 24th January, we have 86 people who have joined. We have total, we have approximately 7 people have done the day zero already. So whoever is watching this video and you have not done day zero, please complete it as soon as possible. and the gamification is there, so the leaderboard is a very good way of taking it further. So they, and then be keep preparing yourself for what you want to build. Look at our support videos and everything to make sure you're ready for the day one, and that is the whole message. So hope you enjoy this challenge. Take this challenge as a stepping stone to whatever you are doing. Have a great day and best of luck. See you on the other side.